what the team needs so you can claim the crown? What can you say?
First, again, I just cannot, give credit to what people did. They're champions for a reason. Really took us out of our rhythm. But I mean, there's a reason this is the finals. The championship will not be given to you, so you have to earn it. And I guess they were the more aggressive team today. Obviously, they don't want to end it, so we're just gonna be, look at what we could do better. Come game 3.
To Jacob, what can you say that what's the learnings you got from this game, especially you were checked down the stretch? What can you say?
Just like what Coach said, yeah, UP, you could say that they wanted it more, that aggressive on the defensive end, and Barry made some tough shots at the end, which was kind of expected, but then again, that's what, like Coach said, it's the finals, and the Maroon 5 don't want to go home as well, and they made some tough shots. Give it to them, and we just gotta stay ready for game 3.
Okay, the floor is open for questions.
Coach, it was a close game down the stretch. Had the chance to win the game, but Boris took the shot. Was that in a way the instruction, the last play?
Well, we have rule number 1, and that's use your best judgment. We're always gonna stick to what we agreed upon as matured individuals here. I mean, that shot could have brought that house down. And as long as those shots are the shots that Boris was practicing, we're going to be okay with that. And, we always say, players win games for us and they will also lose games for us. And that's not going to change. Even if this is game 2 of the finals, yes, we're going to make mistakes. The experience of UP showed up earlier, so those guys really played their guts out. We have to really give credit to them. They really poured out everything that they got. Sabi nga ni Jacob, they beat us to those 50-50 balls. But again, that's the beauty of winning game 1. You still have another chance, to give yourselves a chance to win the championship. So we just have to be more patient about it and just keep on slugging it out with them.
With that being said, Jacob, coming off that game 1, the dagger that you've had, in a way, did you anticipate? Did you anticipate? Did you anticipate na, kumbaga mas yung added focus sa'yo, and even down the stretch, they deny you the ball and not giving you a chance to have that leather to make that decision in the NBA?
I mean, yeah, of course, I think not even me, everyone expected that. That's why I told my teammates to be more aggressive, and earlier they were kind of tentative. Well, it's up to me to, lead them and encourage them to take those shots, or don't be hesitant. But yeah, but we already expected that, the aggressive defensive plays that you're going to deny me, trying to get me off the game. And I guess it worked for this game. So, yeah.
Okay, my last question, Coach. Game 3, for the 3rd straight year, LaSalle UP goes to a decider. So your thoughts about this Wednesday's match?
We cannot complain, given this opportunity. We have to remember we're a young team. We might have those veterans, but we're still young as far as being in the finals is concerned. And it's something to look forward to. It's something that every athlete or every young coach always dreams of. Going into a game 3 and just making sure that we're gonna learn a lot from it. And whatever happens, we're just gonna give our best. And really enjoy that game 3. It's gonna be something that we have to get excited about.
Okay, we'll let you go, Coach Topex and Jacob. Thank you. See you in game 3. It's all right.